Alright, we're on. Welcome to part 2, countdown to the fireworks. YouTube, yeah. I can't. YouTube, yeah.
Ty, you can't go up there? How about next?
I can't, it's so steep.
You want me to do it?
You can try, my feet can't reach as far as...
Careful, your feet will be on it.
Too steep, it's too long for my legs.
No, don't do it like that. Hold the other way.
I'll meet you up there. Oh. Alright.
Ow, my head.
You twist yourself. He's in a knot.
Oh no, I'm falling! How will I ever save myself? Oh no.
Oh no. Oh no.
You need me, Jeff? No. It is because I am falling.
Oh.
Not this way, but this way.
Try to think for me.
First,
What are you doing?
now this way.
Here, Ty, you want me to hold the camera?
Yeah.
Alright.
YouTube. Oof.
I bet you can't do this stuff. Sorry, but we're making a video.
That doesn't mean she can be on it. Yeah, you're kind of on YouTube now. Alright, Titus. Oh crap, I'm about to fall. No!
It's not like you're gonna break your ankle. Good. It's not like I don't care.
She's mean.
I don't think I want to do this.
I think she's following us.
I'm ready for this.
She's following us. You're gonna talk about me, go somewhere else.
We're not talking about you.
We are.
I was making a joke when I said you were mean.
Yeah. No, you were the one who said that was really.
It was a joke.
Yeah. We're just saying that.
Spinning all around, spinning all around. It was just a joke. Oh no! Spinning around, breaking things, spinning around, breaking things, spinning around, breaking things. I don't like this. I don't like this.
He has little feet.
I don't like this.
Lily, come on.
I don't think anybody likes this. I mean it. I don't think anybody likes this.
I can actually. Oh wow! I'm gonna follow. Louie, move! No.
Oh no, I'm falling. Oh no. Somebody help me. Bleh. Let's climb random things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's. Away. Come on, Titus.
Hurry up.
Come on, everyone who wants to be on YouTube. Follow me.
I just slid down.
We're gonna do stupid things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
stupid people, unite!
What the heck?
Time to do stupid things! Titus! Stupid people doing stupid things, unite! Alright, let's go up with them, guys. Da 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 da, doing stupid things. Ba ba da ba 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 ba.
I'll go with you.
Time to do stupid things.
Yeah.
Who's ready to do stupid things?
Yay.
No. Oh, apparently we're not doing that. Coming?
You gotta go down the orange one. You wanna go down the purple one?
Can I order some more tacos? He said no.
Why are you recording me?
Sorry.
I just wanted to every time you see me record.
I fell through a hole and my arms went up and it hurt. Oh. Well, do you not want to be in the video?
Kinda not, kinda not.
Okay, I'll leave you alone.
Okay.
Come on, let's go do stupid things.
Hey.
Okay. Oh, I did a major fail when I jumped off. This time I literally just like, bam. It was in the other video.
There's a swing open. Go jump off of it.
I don't want to do that again. I'm serious. I actually kind of failed. It was an epic fail.
No, Drew, let's see how high I can get.
Okay.
I'm not jumping.
Okay, back up.
He's not jumping off.
Oh, he's not.
No.
Get me out! Okay, get out! Higher! Just go higher.
He's going pretty high.
Yeah.
This music's actually fit in pretty good.
If I jumped this high, I would die. Let's break away.
I'm gonna step back. You jumping off or not?
Just do it.
He doesn't need to.
It's so hot out here.
I love doing stupid things.
Yeah, like this.
Alright. You jumping off? Oh! You should see what it's like when I did my jump.
Yeah, it was horrible, die.
I know I wasn't trying to do it very well.
Boom, there goes your whole body.
So what should we show them now?
How to do stupid things.
All the people that have done stupid things.
That's stupid.
Hold on. Thanks for the following donors for their great for their. It's all the people that done stupid things.
Should we?
Where's our names?
Yeah. Come on, where's our name?
Come on, where's our names? We did stupid things.
Hey, no, dude, don't say that. These are all the people that created that playground.
Oh, then we're stupid.
Yay.
Yeah. What? I can't believe Titus. I can't believe they got rid of the spinny thing over there.
Yeah.
All that's left is a tree. Who cares about trees? Well, I care about trees, but at a park, who cares about trees?
Because you're playing, but it's stupid.
I like to climb trees, but sometimes I don't. Jumping.
Yeah, we're trying to get close to finding him.
Chase Titus.
Okay.
Chase Titus.
Oh, God.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Chase Titus. Chase Titus.
Oh,
He went down. Come on. We gotta go. Chase Titus, get him! Ah! Get Titus!
I got him! Got him.
Chase me!
Okay.
No, no.
Okay, let's not do that.
Oh, Jay.
Run! Run!
38:30. In 2 hours, we'll be setting off the fireworks.
Go play soccer with my cousins.
What?
Soccer. My cousins are playing soccer.
You have to?
No, I kind of want to.
How about I come over?
Yeah.
Here, I'll be right back. Let's end this video. Let's end this video.